So Max, have you ever wondered if some liquids mix and some don't? Have you ever wondered about that?
Yeah.
As scientists, that's the sort of thing that scientists like to investigate and find out, and it's really interesting. So I thought we'd do a little experiment today. Would you like to help me?
Yeah, and I think I'll do really good at this because I've got science at my home too.
Perfect.
Rainbow science.
Perfect. So you're going to be good at this. So what we're first going to do is we've got some washing up liquid here, and I'm going to put some milk on the plate. So I'm going to pour some milk onto the plate like this. Oh, so it's filling the plate. There we go. Some milk all over the plate. Lovely. Now, do you think you could squeeze, this is food colouring, could you just squeeze a little blue dot in that corner onto the plate?
I've got food colouring with my science too.
Good. So you squeeze it, give it a squeeze and drop onto the, that's it. Well done. I might give it another bit of a drop. So there's my one. There we go. So, and then if you do the red one over there, in big squeeze of red. Oh, that's a good one. And then I'll do a squeeze too. Lovely. And then maybe green over here. Big squeeze.
In my science, I do this, but I don't use green. I only use yellow, blue, and red.
Oh, interesting. Give it a big squeeze.
So it might be a bit different for me.
Yes, it might be a bit different, so we'll have to find out, won't we? There we go. And then the last one, the yellow. You give the squeeze a yellow over there. Give it a big squeeze.
Are we going to mix the washing liquid with all this?
Yes, but we're going to do that in a minute. What do you think is going to happen? Well, can we see what's happened here? Has the milk and the food colouring really mixed together?
No.
No, they're not really mixed, have they?
No.
So the food colouring is not attracted to the milk, but you hold on to that cotton bud and you pop it in the washing up liquid. Get lots on it, lots on that end of that cotton bud. Lovely. Right, now I want you to put the cotton bud in the middle of the milk. Let's see what happens. Oh, what's happening?
It's washing the colours away and then they'll start getting close mix.
Oh, look, they're beginning to mix, aren't they?
Yeah. Get a bit.
Do a bit more.
And they'll get close. They're scared of the washing liquid.
So they're moving, aren't they? That's
Yeah,
right. So they're kind
scared.
of, well, they're a bit attracted to the washing up liquid and then they're moving away. So that liquid, the washing up liquid, that does make the milk and the food colouring mix together, doesn't it?
In my science, we use a mixing up spoon. So they've got a little stick, and we use it to mix up the things.
Excellent. So that's great that you can do science at home. Thank you for coming to help me with the science experiment today.